Welcome to the best picks. The best Lice Laundry Detergent is probably one of the most sought-after products for parents and caregivers dealing with head lice infestations. Today, we will deep dive into the effectiveness of Lice Laundry Detergent in killing lice and their eggs on clothes and bedding, exploring its key features, benefits, and potential drawbacks, while also providing you with a comprehensive buying guide to help you make an informed decision. Number 5. Licefreee Home Lice Control Spray. It's effective in eliminating lice on furniture and bedding. The natural orange peel oil makes it perfect for non-washable surfaces. After a lice outbreak, it helps prevent reinfestation. Thoroughly clean your home to kill lice on various surfaces. Simply shake and spray on affected areas until visibly wet. Let it dry completely before use, and reapply if needed. It's designed for furniture and bedding, ideal for homes, schools, and hotels needing thorough lice removal. Enjoy a fresh citrus fragrance while effectively eliminating lice. It's part of a complete line of lice control products. What we like. This spray kills lice on contact and won't stain your furniture. It also has a fresh citrus scent, making it a pleasant way to eliminate lice from your home. If you're looking for an effective and easy-to-use lice treatment for non-washable surfaces, this is the product for you. What people say. So, I got some type of invisible biting bugs, can't see, can't diagnose, went to dermatologist. He told me I was crazy, you have to overdose this stuff to shake them, but it works. Spray on everything in your house, especially your floors. We'll need multiple bottles, but it works. Soak your entire house, they use the hairspray on your entire body, sounds crazy, but if you have these invisible biting bugs you would try anything. May have to use multiple times, and in your cars also, wash clothes in super hot water and double dry, freedom is around the corner. We had a bad case of lice for several months, due to being consistently exposed to it by a child we were taking care of, didn't know at the time that she had it. Each time we had this issue, we bought this spray and sprayed our couch as well as our beds and pillows. My son is a wrestler for some reason I never thought about head lice, but then bam, the second week there they were. This stuff is a miracle. So easy to use and didn't even have to reapply over and over. It's a must-have in the cabinet now. Number 4. Premo Guard Laundry Additive. It's a safe and effective solution for eliminating bed bugs, mites, and lice from your laundry. Use it on bedding, linens, and clothing. It's safe for kids and pets. Say goodbye to unwanted odors and stains. It leaves your fabrics clean and fresh, ensuring a comfortable and bug-free environment for your family. This powerful additive is proven to eliminate various pests, including bed bugs, dust mites, and fleas, targeting adults, nymphs, and eggs for complete protection. It's simple to use, add it to your regular laundry detergent or use it alone. Made with all natural ingredients, it's tough on pests but gentle on your fabrics. We stand behind our product. It's made in a GMP-certified facility and third-party tested, ensuring quality and effectiveness. Our money-back guarantee protects your purchase. Click Add to Cart and experience the peace of mind that comes with a truly effective and safe pest control solution. Enjoy excellent customer service and our money-back guarantee. What we like. This laundry additive is safe for children and pets, and it's completely stain and scent-free. It's also a powerful, all-natural pest killer. If you need a gentle yet effective way to eliminate pests from your washable items, this is a great option. What people say. It has helped me in my fight against mites and bedbugs. If you want to spring clean all your clothes in your dusty closet, this is a good choice. It also makes clothes super soft. Clothes come out so soft and wonderfully fresh that I'm convinced I'm going to be using this more often than just spring cleaning. Number 3. My Hair Helpers Anti-Lice Set. This dynamic duo tackles head lice effectively. It's a key part of a complete lice treatment system, but remember to use it as part of a broader approach. It's a gentle formula with a refreshing mint scent and lice-deterring rosemary and neem oils. It's perfect for kids and effectively cleanses while discouraging lice. Lice Steer Clear of Mint. Daily use for 2 weeks after a lice infestation, or during outbreaks, helps protect your child's hair. It soothes itchy scalps and improves hair health, all while using natural ingredients without harsh chemicals. It helps safeguard against future infestations. This sulfate-free shampoo and conditioner is safe for daily use on children of all ages, even babies and toddlers, and adults. It works on all hair types. My Hair Helpers has been helping families fight head lice for years, using only kid-safe, natural products. We're here to help you. What we like. This shampoo and conditioner set is designed to deter lice and is made with natural ingredients that are gentle on kids' hair. It's a proactive approach to lice prevention. If you're looking for a daily defense against lice for your children, this is a good choice. Number 2. Hygea Natural Lice and Bed Bug Additive. It's compatible with all your favorite detergents and water temperatures. This makes it effective on any fabric, ensuring thorough cleaning. Use it alone or with your regular detergent. It provides year-round pest control and gives you peace of mind. It effortlessly removes bed bugs and lice from your clothes and linens. Enjoy clean laundry and worry-free living. It's a key part of preparing for any pest extermination. Seamlessly integrated into your cleaning routine for pest-free laundry. It's odorless, stain-free, and safe for kids and pets. This eco-friendly formula protects your family and the environment. This product is the perfect solution for pest control in your laundry. Enjoy clean, pest-free clothes and linens with ease. What we like. This laundry additive effectively eliminates bed bugs and lice from your clothes and linens, without any harsh odors or stains. It's also safe for children and pets and works in any water temperature. If you want a simple, effective, and safe way to keep your laundry pest-free, this is for you. What people say. When the kids bring unwanted guests, you need a helping hand. Here's one. I like that it is not a pesticide and I don't know how it is environmentally friendly, but I like that claim. Large container, better value. I put half in the laundry detergent and the other half in the clothes softener. Number 1. Eco Defense Lice Spray. Worried about lice infestations in your home? This spray provides effective control on furniture, bedding, and clothing, creating a safer environment for your family and pets. It's specially formulated for surfaces, not for direct body use. It's made with a blend of botanical ingredients known for their lice-fighting properties. This natural formula is gentle on your home environment, offering reliable lice management without harsh chemicals. This spray is designed for a mess-free application. It effectively targets affected areas without leaving stains or residue, keeping your bedding, clothing, and fabrics fresh and protected. Easily integrated into your cleaning routine for ongoing protection. It's a practical solution that helps safeguard your household items, giving you peace of mind. Give your family the gift of a lice-free home with Eco Defense. It's the simple, effective, and plant-based solution you've been searching for. What we like. This spray provides effective lice control for your home, using a plant-based formula that's gentle on your family and pets. It's easy to use and leaves no residue. If you are looking for a safe and effective way to protect your furniture and bedding from lice, this is a great option. What people say. No more lice. This was part of my getting rid of lice. The rest was washing sheets and the hot dryer. Also the hair dryer real hot kills them in the hair. I secluded her to my living room and sprayed this on everything after I treated her. No one in my household got it. After one round of spraying, the problem didn't recur. The cat is safe too. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.